Welcome to Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make Mongolian beef. So let's get started. For the marinade, I've got here 1.5 kilos of beef, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 2 tablespoons of oil, 2 tablespoons of Chinese cooking wine, and 3 tablespoons of water. For the sauce, I've got here 3/4 cups of hot water, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of water, 3 teaspoons of corn flour, 1 tablespoon of chicken seasoning, or you can use 1 beef stock cube, and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, or you can use white sugar. You will also need 2 medium carrots, which I have cut into julienne, 1 red capsicum, which I have sliced. You can use fresh or frozen capsicum for this recipe, 5 cloves of grated garlic, 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, 2 medium onions, which I have cut into chunks and separated the layers, and some oil for cooking. Cut the meat into small pieces and transfer it into a dish. To marinate the meat, take the beef pieces, add oil, cooking wine, soy sauce, corn flour, and baking soda. This is the secret ingredient that will tenderize your meat, and give it a mix. Add water and mix it well to combine. Cover it with a plastic wrap and let it marinate in the fridge for 1 hour. To make the sauce, take hot water, add sugar, chicken seasoning, light soy sauce, and dark soy sauce, and give it a mix. Mix corn flour and water together, add it to the sauce mixture, give it a mix and put it aside. After 1 hour, take the meat out of the fridge and let it come to room temperature for 10 minutes. Take a non-stick fry pan, put it on high heat, add 2 tablespoons of oil and heat it. Add half of the beef pieces and fry it for 4 to 5 minutes and take it out in a dish. Add 1 more tablespoon of oil and repeat this process. Wipe the fry pan with a paper towel, put it on medium heat, add 2 tablespoons of oil and heat it. Add chili flakes, garlic, and ginger. Give it a mix and cook it for 30 seconds. Add onions, give it a mix and cook it for 1 minute. Add carrots and capsicum. Give it a mix, cover it and cook it for 5 minutes, stirring it once. After 5 minutes, add beef and give it a mix. Take your sauce mixture, give it a mix, add it to the fry pan and mix it well. Cover it and cook it for 3 minutes or until the sauce thickens slightly. After 3 minutes, give it a mix and taste your salt. It doesn't need any more salt, but you can add it according to your taste. Turn the heat off and let me dish it out and show you. My Mongolian beef is ready and you can serve it with some rice, noodles or steamed vegetables. Enjoy. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy videos, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.